Hello, dear brothers and sisters. It's the second Sunday of Easter 2020 today, and the Holy Mother Church has set this day apart for us to celebrate the Feast of Divine Mercy. And on this day, we implore the divine mercy of God, recalling the suffering of Christ on the cross of Calvary. And we ask God to look upon that sorrowful passion and have mercy upon us and upon the whole world, especially in this time of great challenge all over the world. So we're going to sing a very ancient hymn in Igbo language, imploring the mercy of God.
Kulie, ebere Zion ebere, ebere erugo, Amara abiago. Kulie, ebere Zion ebere, ebere erugo, Amara abiago. Ewona Chineke anyị emewo, ewona Chineke mere anyị ebere, ewona Chineke anyị emewo, ewona Chineke mere anyị ebere. Kulie, ebere Zion ebere, ebere erugo, Amara abiago. Arise and show your mercy upon Zion, for this is the hour of mercy. Father, may your grace descend. Yadimehao kegebo chinurareo, Chineke sacha n'ọbara. Yadimehao kegebo chinurareo, Chineke sacha n'ọbara. Kulie, ebere Zion ebere, ebere erugo, Amara abiago. Arise and show your mercy upon Zion, for this is the hour of mercy. May your grace descend.